Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be doing a voiceover, and also this is a basic makeup tutorial for work. Now it really depends how much makeup you can wear for work, but this was my first day, and I'm also going to be answering your questions in this video with the most popular question at the moment, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, this is a really quick, simple makeup tutorial for work. Also, I'm going to be talking about, well, I got some questions, and I'm going to be talking about like goal setting and like manifesting and that, because I generally do think everything that I've written down on this board has nearly come true, except from that, because that's quite difficult to do. But one day I want to make my own merch for you guys and for myself. But so far, most of that's came true. They won't stand back up. So I'm going to do my makeup, quickly get ready, and answer some of your questions. So the products I'm using for this simple makeup tutorial is Revolution Concealer, the Conceal and Hydrate one. I've got the shade C7. I also sell the Conceal and Define concealer over there on my TikTok shop. So if you want to try out that one, head over to my TikTok. And then I also sell these, but I don't just sell them. I don't just buy them because I sell them. I literally love the lipsticks. I've got like about 3 now, but this is probably my favorite one. This is the 003 Moon. And then I've got the Maybelline Big Mascara Lashes. So my first question is, where do I see myself in a year's time from now? Now, this is the first week of my work, so hopefully, first of all, in a year's time, I'll still be working in the place I work at now. But in a year's time, this might be a push, but I see myself on the YouTube program, and hopefully with 20,000 followers on TikTok and probably 2,000 on YouTube. I grow a lot slower on my YouTube than my TikTok, and with Instagram, maybe 5,000. I don't know. I've not been posting as much on my Instagram, but that is where I see myself in a year's time. The next question is kind of related to the first question, and it is, if I can tell my younger self anything, what would it be? And mine would be more just telling my younger self that don't listen to people who tell you can't do something because of your disability, or don't put yourself down because you struggle harder than others. In the future, you'll realise that you can do stuff. You're gonna be the most independent person you know, and hard driven, and you'll start to realise that being disabled is not so bad, because I feel like when you're younger you think it's like the worst thing on the planet, and it's so hard because you can't find anyone relatable to you, especially with my cerebral palsy. So I was just trying to make my younger self more confident from a younger age to how I am now, and that's what I would tell my younger self. Next question is, how does my cerebral palsy affect my day-to-day? Now, unlike some cerebral palsy people, it doesn't affect me as much as others, but I've definitely seen it affect this week. But this has always been my life. Like, this has always been the main thing with my legs, especially, is I get a lot of muscle pain if I do too much, and it used to be too little, but this past year it's only been if I do too much, and the reason for that is 1, I weight gain because I've got left side hemiplegia, and 2, my muscles can't relax when I go to sleep or like relax, like watch TV and that. My muscles don't relax, so that's when, if I have done too much, my muscles would start hurting and I would start to feel like I need to click my legs. I've got told in the past it's like a habit, but they click automatically if I don't do it. But except for my like arm and that, like just changing little things, like how I pick up things, how I do little things that I don't even realise I'm doing. But if I didn't have cerebral palsy, I probably wouldn't do it that way. So that's how it affects me on my day-to-day basis. So the last question is, what is my plan for Vlogma 2022? Now, because I'm working now, it might change a tiny bit, but my plan is hopefully going to be happening. I'm going to do Vlogmas either way, but like it might be more main channel content than vlogs. But my plan is hopefully to do more vlogs this year than main channel content. So let me know in the comments what type of style of vlogs you want to see. Of course, I'll be doing the typical decorate with me for Christmas and videos like that, vlogs like that and videos like that. But also I will be doing main channel videos like doing my makeup with my left hand. Because of my cerebral palsy, I've got left side hemiplegia. But the makeup I will be doing is relating to my Christmas content. So I hope you enjoyed me answering these questions. Also hope you enjoyed this basic makeup tutorial, and I will see you with a new video next time. Bye.